The moment you open this, the universe said, now is the time. One person just felt it hit. That's you. February 20th to 25th, 2026 is charged. Post-eclipse Aquarius lightning, sudden flips, blocks shattering. Universe timed this video for this exact second. Someone here just stared at a balance or trade screen and felt the spark. This is not random. This is your reading. Money incoming this week. Breathe deep. Feel the now. Question: why did the universe say now the second you open this? What proof shows cash drops February 20th to 25th? Deck shuffled slow, channeling faded Aquarius flow. 5 cards for you, past block, 5 of Pentacles reversed. Lack easing, past felt empty, money far. Reversed equals door cracked open. Eclipse cleared fear. You know those nights staring at zero. Current moment, Ace of Pentacles, new seed right now. Golden opportunity planted, ping, idea, small win. You just felt your phone or gut jump. Ace says it's yours. Trigger, wheel of fortune. Fate turns, luck cycle flips. Trigger this week, sudden shift, payout, spike, unexpected cash. Wheel says it's spinning for you. Incoming money, Knight of Pentacles, steady arrival, reliable deposit, affiliate, content payout. Real and close. You know the wallet/app it's hitting. Outcome, 10 of Pentacles, abundance foundation, security, long-term flow. This week's win builds empire. Proof, 5 rev, lack ends, to ace, seed, to wheel, turn, to knight, arrival, to 10, locked. Universe said now, because the route is open. Tie in, past lack flipped to seed planted to fate turns to cash, arrives to empire starts. The moment you open this, universe said, now is the time. Daily, now is the time energy. February 20th to 25th. Random notification feels heavy. Idea hits and feels instant right. Gut says, check now. Balanced thought pops. Calm certainty, it's here. Signs money incoming February 20th to 25th. Phone vibrates or lights up randomly. Money thought to app opens itself. Dreams show cash/pings. Numbers spike 888 1111 555. Unexpected tip/refund. Gut says today/tomorrow. Old idea pays off. Feeling done deal. Synchronicities double. Calm peace. This week. Vivid wind dreams. Notification glitch sign. No desperation. Knowing. Universe confirms hourly. Win when you detach. Subscribe and comment below. Want more energy? Give first. Universe flows both ways. Advice. February 20th to 25th. One big move daily. Post, trade setup, outreach. No chase. Stay cold. Universe delivers. Affirm 3 times per day. Universe said now. Money incoming February 20th to 25th perfectly. Log signs. Proof builds. Cold mindset. Hungry, grateful, zero emotion. Aquarius mode. Innovate fast, detach. No doubt, divine timing. Celebrate small, push 15,000 plus. Affirmation. The moment I open this, universe said now. Money incoming February 20th to 25th. I stay detached, hungry, aligned. Everything flows, so it is. If this hit, like, subscribe, bell on. Comment, now is the time to claim. Drop sign/next focus. Stay aligned. Universe said now, every second counts. Push harder.